Hello TEQ crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will be conducting a technical analysis of Jasmy Coin. Looking at its chart, we have identified 3 support levels. We drew them before the video, and now we will share our comments with you. Currently, we can see that the price action is around 0. We observe that it bounced from the double 0.4461 level. This point actually comes from the past, so if we draw it like this, if we draw it from this point, we can see that it bounced from here. In fact, if we connect the dots like this, it bounced from this point. We can see that there have been touches around these areas in the past. Please ignore the arrow and the ascending trend in between for now. We will share our analysis of the 4-hour chart with you. Now, previously, due to the reaction it received, we can say that we expect it to enter the ascending trend channel in the price movement since it showed an upward movement from that point. Additionally, we anticipate it to rise to the first target level of 5,846. After reaching this level, the more important target is to reach 7,660. Once it reaches this point, it becomes a bit more difficult for it to undergo a downward movement again. The reason is that there have been 3 previous touches, and it hasn't been broken with these 3 touches. The more unbreakable it is, the stronger the resistance zone will be. However, if the price movements break this level strongly on the 4th attempt, it will present a great opportunity for us to buy. Let's mention that here. Now, my friends, on the 4-hour time frame, we can say that there is an uptrend. As you can see, we have had around 2 to 3 touches here, and what does this indicate for us? Now, if we open the RSI indicator, let's look at the peak here. This peak in RSI corresponds to this point, and the peak here in RSI corresponds to this point. In other words, while the peaks of price movements are decreasing, we see that the peaks of RSI are increasing, indicating a positive divergence. It is important to consider that this can be evaluated as a buying opportunity, because positive divergences in RSI indicate that price movements will continue upwards or that an uptrend is about to begin. Let's emphasize that here. In addition, if we look at our chart from a wider perspective on the 4-hour time frame, we can say that there are intermediate resistance levels, especially the level of 5,324 and approximately 5,494 levels, and if we go even higher, say above 5,602 levels, these will be intermediate resistance levels for us. We can also say that there is an ascending triangle on the chart. By ascending triangle, I mean a rising trend line coming from this point to this point. As you can see, this area is important for us. Also, if we look at the lower part, in the RSI, as you can see, the 50 level has been broken upwards, and as long as this level continues to be broken upwards, we can expect further upward movement in price. It is important not to forget this. Let's switch back to the daily time frame for our analysis. Now, if we look here on the daily time frame, the RSI has increased from approximately 34.5 levels to around 38.5 levels, and we interpret this increase in RSI as a positive sign. If the RSI breaks above the 50 level, we may see further upward movement in price. If the 50 level is breached to the upside, it could be considered as a buying opportunity. Of course, along with the RSI, we want the price action to break through the resistance zone and re-enter the trend. Let's make this clear, and we'll close our analysis with the RSI indicator at this point. Now, let's look at the Fisher indicator. Fisher indicated a bearish signal around May 8th with a breakdown, and since then, it has been steadily declining. Currently, it is hovering around the 2.60 level. Although no breakdown has occurred yet, the lines are converging, indicating a possible breakdown in the coming days. Since it is away from 0, we interpret future breakdowns as strong sell signals. However, caution is advised as long as the breakdown has not occurred. Now let's continue our analysis with the WAVA trend indicator. WAVA trend also gave us a sell signal with a breakdown on May 8th, but currently, the momentum seems to have slowed down significantly. If we look at this section, it seems that the momentum of the mentioned friends is close to 0. Therefore, this part is important. Additionally, although no breakthrough has occurred yet, the two lines have come very close together. As it is also agreed, it is likely that we won't see a breakthrough in the coming days, so taking action before the breakthrough can be dangerous for us. Therefore, it is advisable to be cautious. After the breakthrough occurs, it will be more appropriate for us to enter a buy order. Now that we have finished our comments here, let's slowly come to the end of our video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of Jasmy Coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel to stay informed about future videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.